Hi there. Now let me show you how to use need review function in Mendeley Desktop. So for example, this is my Mendeley Desktop. After having references in your Mendeley Desktop and before you start citing them into your Microsoft Word, it is better for you to go to needs review function. So as you can see here on the left hand side, there is a special button for need review. It is a very important thing that you need to do before you start citing them. So you click here, need review. Once you click, usually they're going to show you few references that you need to verify, because most of the time, if you do download the references from any platform, such as the databases, some of the references, they came together with missing information. So all those references that need to be reviewed will be available under need review button. For example, like this one, there are two references that need to be reviewed because they are missing information. For example, like this one, there is no year of publication, and the following one, there is no journal title here. So let us give a try to complete the missing information. Okay, one option that you can use in order to complete the information is you can click on the reference, then you can go to the detailed information on the right hand side. Then you're going to see this one, search button. So first option, you can give a try to click this button, search button here. Once you click, what's going to happen, they're going to complete the missing information by getting the information from Google Scholar and any other platform available on the web. So now it is already completed. Let us go to the second one. For example, like this one, there is no journal title in here. So I need to either use this function, the first option, search option. If no, you can give a try with the second option, which is you can go down and see under catalog ID. If they do provide you with any information in here, then you can click on the magnifying glass next to it, lookup function. So for example, this specific article do provide me with DOI number, so I just click this lookup button. Then they're going to search for me the missing information. So once succeeded, then you're going to see the update already the journal title or any other missing information in the list. Okay, after using the first function here, search option, or the second option under catalog ID, for example, still you cannot find the missing information, then you can use the last option, which is you need to do it, you need to complete the missing information manually by looking into the PDF, the full text of that article. For example, if they do provide you with PDF, you can simply double click on it. Then they're going to open for you the PDF. Then you need to find the missing information manually in the text. And if you want to update them, you simply go to the detail function here, and you can simply update wherever you want accordingly. So that is how you can use need review function in order to complete the missing information. And it is very important because before you cite, you need to make sure that all the references that you have in your Mendeley Desktop is already completed and comprehensive, providing you with comprehensive information. Otherwise, you're going to cite references with missing information. Thank you.